Alright, just want to make a quick video lesson on the first trading day this week. Let's just get into it. We had a few spikers. Vino, Petz, Ppsi, Pet we'll get into them. So this is one that I actually missed this morning. It's a solid low market cap, low float play. As you can see, it's doing good volume. History is not great, but also doesn't have much resistance. So we got this little breakout over the 460s area. Uh, let's see this thing real quick. Intraday. After that, 7-ish, the resistance. So we have this. Pretty much how I saw this was a VWAP hold, and pretty much like a ascending triangle forming here. I completely missed this. I was looking at Ppsi in the morning, so that happened. We'll get into that. It was a solid play. But here we have a solid hold with VWAP. Keeps grinding, keeps holding right against it. Right around 4. Key psychological level, whole dollar, half dollar level. So the way I would have played this probably would be this higher low, confirming the VWAP as well as breaking the triangle. Somewhere around 410, 420 in that range. And probably would have just taken a quick 50 cents into the spike here. It really got stuffed. It could not continue. But still a solid profit angle. But the one I was playing was Ppsi. This one was a beautiful play. Missed this whole entire run up. All I got was the open price play in the morning and a flag forming, holding VWAP and the pre-market high. Also a low float, low market cap. This one's in the EV sector. Had some news pre-market, and now it's spiking pre-market, and then it just failed to break down. That's really it. Shorts took over. A lot of buyers in. So we had a solid reclaim within the first 10 minutes. A little earlier than I might typically like. I like to wait around 15 minutes. But this one offered some good volume, as we can see here. Let me zoom in. So it kind of died off for a second here, but then all of a sudden it started bouncing back. And that's when I was getting in. And worked out nicely. Took my quick gain right after it got unhalted to the high sixes for a quick dollar, and then played it again here for another quick 10% from 6.9 to 7.6. And then this whole time midday, I was just kind of watching it. It's failing to break down, failing to crack into red from the open price, and then we get a solid triangle here as well. But I just failed to take it here in the low to mid sixes. Considered it in the high at daybreak, went right through it. So I decided to wait for the 8 break. And it was just up way too much for me for wanting. I don't know. I thought maybe some more consolidation would have been appropriate. So I missed this. And in hindsight, it was a solid entry level. Ended up taking off from there. But here we are topping out and fading hard here after hours. So take your gains when you got them into the spike. Yes, this was right out the watch list. Oh, I missed it. This is the new one. But pretty much I was looking for a test of anywhere from 8 to 10, and it exceeded that, which was very nice. Let's see here. Watch list was overall pretty good. There's a few plays right out of it. So here we go. Looking for pre-market high break or open price reclaim. Potential squeeze to test 8 or 10. Didn't work out exactly what I had in mind. Ended up having to do it later after some consolidation. Shorts get trapped, fails to break down. Their expectations are broken. More buyers come in, and then they get squeezed, and that leads to all this. Another one that was nice was Pet and Petz. We'll get into those. Petz I had as a secondary watch. That was actually a good play for me. 3 for 3 on the day, slightly over $1,000. But this one, I was a little annoyed. I missed this first run up here. We got a solid breakout over 460-ish. Just looking forward to test around 8, which was the after hours high right around here last week. So thought we could get a quick short squeeze to there. Kind of did it. 755 right around the 8 level. It got right into the resistance there, so pretty happy with the call there. But I missed this front move here, and then it came back and just failed to break down. Held VWAP, got in on the higher low. I had to chase. I did miss it. Just waiting for the confirmation of it. But then a few minutes later, it takes off, gets halted, and then gets unhalted and rips a little bit higher. I take it for about $1. I thought I had $1. It was a market order. Ended up getting right around 92 cents. So still pretty good quick gain. I'll take it every day of the week. There we go. Low float, relatively low market cap. Failing to break down. Holds the trend. All the bullish indicators are there. It's a breakout play. It's got a double bottom, holding VWAP, high volume, low float, strong market environment. So a lot of things going for it. And that's really all we're doing, just stacking all the indicators in our favor. This one, kind of a weak play. It was a solid call, but didn't really do exactly what I wanted. I thought first we would go higher, and if it wasn't for the quick 2-minute push that I had here, 3 minutes, there really wasn't much. You could have nailed maybe this play here after you get this kind of triangle kind of forming. Somewhere in the low to mid fours for a quick scalp really is all it is, that you would get from that. So not an ideal play here, but still holding up. So I wouldn't mind taking a look at this tomorrow, see if we get a red to green move, previous high daybreak for a continuation of this. But the volume is also getting quite exhausted here. Maybe we'll ramp up some more tomorrow or sometime this week and push 7, maybe 8 like I had wanted today. But yeah, just want to go over a few tickers. I think some of them are from the video I made yesterday on the watch list. I chose a few tickers and decided to go through my process on it, what I was thinking, what I was looking at. So Petz and Ppsi, main plays for me today. I missed Vino. So yeah, just got to study up now, do spreadsheets, and get ready for hopefully another busy day tomorrow.